Prepping for the morning's always a better thing than being late for work, huh? And having no excuse for not feeding your birds and everything else. We'll get back to you when I get the grain and scratch grain in the bag, or at least opened up. I'll show you the difference. My good friend, Life in New Hampshire? He wanted to know what the scratch grain looks like, so I'll show him. He's probably the first one to watch my videos, so alrighty, we'll show him. Show him the difference. And I got some shavings earlier. But yeah, there's another bag down there. That's what it's, yeah, just a layer. I don't know. Nothing special. Alrighty, get them opened up, let you guys know. The best part of opening a fresh bag of grain. And then, what brand new bag of grain. Good stuff. You can get this at Blue Seal. It's actually Blue Seal product. Seems to work pretty good. Alright, now let's get that one open. Let you guys see. And that's what scratch grain looks like. For you guys that wanted to know, especially the Life on New Hampshire, he wanted to know. Got corn. I don't know what else. A whole bunch of other seeds. I don't know. But that's what that looks like. And that's what that looks like. Big difference. It's good to mix in. That's what I usually do. 50-50. They work pretty good. I mean, I usually get some eggs. I haven't done this since I had a lot of chickens. All my chickens got eaten. I'm just starting back to doing it again. But I seen if I add a half of this with a half of that, I usually get 15 eggs a day. But we'll see. I'll get back to you guys when I get it in the bag. Now let's get some of this in there. I'm getting 5 hens, 2 roosters, and 2 ducks tomorrow at some point. So that should be good. Now I usually just mix it all in. Yeah, so that's what it usually looks like after. They like it. They love it. That, well, that. Yeah, scratch grain and linear feed. That's all I usually do. We'll get back to you on the water. Give them a little treat. Let's fill them up. All you guys know it. Keep the coccidiosis away and still have money in my pocket. You guys know it. Keep that bird healthy. They like the oil. You gotta have the oil. Every food grain has oil in it. Look on the back. It's good for them. Might as well give it to them. Add a little bit of that to them. Sweet. Let's fill them up. Yeah. Here you go, guys. Let's get this other one filled up. I'll get back to you. Empty. Full. Sweet. Now it's all ready for the chickens. I just wake up in the morning, run out to the coop, throw that in the coop, and it's good to go. I don't know. I think it's the best way to do it. Especially when I'm getting 5 hens, 2 roosters, Mel. You guys will see a video on that. Hey, if you haven't, comment, subscribe, like, do it all. Have a good one, guys. Yeah!
I know.
You're using my shavings.
Yeah,
I'm
that's why I looked
freaking out, dude.
I looked at you.
I know. That's why I like spazzed out.
Hey, watch out, dog shit.
Dog shit. Oh no.
Clean up those nugs.
Ew.
Pick them up.
What the hell is that? That's gross.
That's dog shit.
Yeah, the wood stove going. I was stepped in that barefooted. I will puke.
Yeah, I know you puke. Tasty babies.
Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe, guys. Have a good one.